You can make a Waikato Shed into anything you like. Look at that, Taupo's premium doggy day spa. This is Laura, she's in charge of all your doggy daycare needs.
John, what's this factory workshop actually used for?
So this is one of our clients that I've had for a long time, which is something we're really proud of here in Taupo. We have a good reputation and we have a lot of clients that have dealt with us for multiple projects, so which is really nice. This one here, the guy, he's a car restoration company. He gets in and just loves working on cars, and he wanted something that was big, wide open spaces, but a cost-effective building. So he came to us, and we managed to deliver him that. So and it works really well. As you can see, we've got some cool old American classics here that he likes working on. Bit of English heritage there, the old Cortinas, and a bit of modern stuff. So yeah, the guy, he's really handy, puts his hand to everything.
I think we should go check out your car next door. I heard it's pretty awesome.
Now you're talking my language.
Yeah, let's go. All right, John, so this is the shed next door. The main pride in joy in this one is this car behind me. Talk me through it. What is it?
Oh, this is a 1968 Rambler Ambassador, right-hand drive, new from America.
Oh, nice.
One of only two in the country. So yeah, this is my hobby when I'm not building sheds.
So
using fossil fuels to the most.
Are you getting it fixed up for the summer? Or
no, these guys have just done a whole lot of work on it. We've just freshened up the motor. She's all brand new underneath there, so they're just doing a bit of fine tuning on it now. So yeah, no, it gets out and gets plenty of use on the weekends and around the car shows and things like that. So yeah, we have a lot of fun.
You might see them down at the beach hop one year then,
probably
winning it too by the looks of this one.